Alright, Bright Kids, the toys had their fun, but now it's time to clean up and get it done. Time to let them rest. Let's count them into the toy chest. Clean up, clean up. Everybody do your part. Clean up, clean up. It's a work of art. Look up, look down, look all around. Look up, look down, look all around. I'm on the move, yeah, I've got the lead. Picking up toys with lightning speed. Here is the lion, the bear, and the bee. Into the box, numbers 1, 2, and 3. Cleaning is fun. See the smile on my face. Hey, I found the bird from the boulder's beach base. Hey, it's the penguin, the wolf, and the horse, of course. Numbers 4, 5, and 6. Let's join the force. Now stomp to the left, now stomp to the right. Now stomp to the left, now stomp to the right. If you love adventures, come join the family. Click that subscribe button and hold on tight. Be a bright kid, let's get this right. Oh, I'm crawling along. Now what do I see? Oh, a green toothy friend from the Florida Key. Hey, the Gator, the Panther, the Manatee so fine. Snap them in. That's 7, 8, and 9.